What's good, my friends? It's your chaos curator, Brains, here to sling another batch of wild updates straight to your soul. So, buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the void. First up, let's talk about some meme madness. Ever had one of those shower thoughts where you think, this water should be acid? Yeah, me neither, but it's a vibe, right? And speaking of vibes, what's up with the world? Sometimes you just gotta throw your hands up and say, WTF, man, come on already. Now, let's slide into the chaos corner. We're starting on a heartfelt note. Local veterans were honored at a ceremony that was all about community gratitude. The Tri-City Times covered it, highlighting speeches, awards, and personal stories that really brought people together. It's a reminder of the unity and respect we owe to those who've served, and it's inspiring ongoing support for our veterans. Switching gears, New Yorkers are gearing up for July 4th with some potent picks from Silly Nice. We're talking diamond powder with a whopping 87.53% THC, papaya wine-infused flower at 47.75% THC, and some seriously strong vapes like Runts and Northern Lights, clocking in at 81.96% and 84.66% THC. It's a celebration, all right. But hey, is the job market really that good? Microsoft is planning major Xbox layoffs next week. This marks the fourth big cut in just 18 months. They're restructuring to streamline operations and boost profits after the Activision Blizzard acquisition. Managers are bracing for some substantial reductions across the division. It's a tough scene out there. And for all you crypto enthusiasts, let's talk security. Protect your digital assets with Trezor Safe 5. It's your ultimate defense against cyber threats, starting at $219, trusted by industry leaders. It's user-friendly and compatible with various assets. So if you're looking to secure your digital future, Trezor Safe 5 has got you covered. And there you have it, folks. Another trip through the vortex. I'm officially fried, but already hyped for the next round of chaos. Let's keep this fever dream going. Catch you on the flip side.